Here's a Casablanca Panama in Verde from 1995. This fan was a Craigslist find. It was fully functional with extremely bad bearings. I actually still have the original bearing right here. So yeah, that was pretty bad sounding. So I replaced the bearings. Now this fan has what I believe to be a burned out or a dead motor winding. I can't be positive, but I'm pretty sure it does because of the noise it makes. And I think how that may have happened was, I don't know if this is true or if I'm correct, but I think how it may have happened was the shaft, when I was replacing the bearings to remove the switch housing, was extremely difficult. It would not want to come out no matter what. So the amount of times I was hammering it, I don't know, maybe it killed one of the windings, I'm not sure. That's my thought. So this is my new testing spot. I'm still messing with lighting right now. Just kind of doing a few experiments with lighting, so I don't know if this is the greatest or not, but I'm doing what I can. Fan still runs as it should, just the motor makes kind of a strange noise. It reads 0.90 amps on the highest speed. So we'll do demo mode real quick. Not sure if you heard that, but the motor sounds like garbage. So this is speed 1 right here. I am not, I've never really paid attention to the amps these things pull. So I don't know if 0.90 is normal or not. But judging by the noise that the motor is making, I think a winding is dead. I think. I'm pretty certain. I don't like how audible the rest of the house is from down here. I'm gonna put on speed 2. Everyone's being so obnoxious upstairs. Do speed 3 now. And I'll do speed 4. When you do bearing replacements on some of these fans, some shafts slip out like butter and others just really put up a fight. And this is one of those ones that really put up a fight. This is 5. This came from one of those sellers that were actually smart enough to sell the fan with the control. Unlike a lot of sellers who just sell the fan, and no matter how much you tell them that the control is needed, they still don't believe you because they're dumb. I can really deal with interesting sellers sometimes. And 6. So the motor only makes that horrible sounding noise on speed 6. It only does it at full power. And once it stops spinning, I will get the camera close and so we can hear that wonderful sound real well. let's hear this motor. Here we go. Yep, whatever that is, I have no idea. Pretty sure it's unwinding, and real quick, we can do this. Put it right up here. And we'll show the amp reading. .90. So please let me know if that's normal. If anyone knows that in the comments, just let me know if that's normal. But yep, that's all I have for this Casablanca Panama from 1995 in Verde.